Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Choose a slot to use for this game. Getting Polly to say silly sentences is fun. Why not try the talking parrot game? Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Can you see your score? Touch the cards to make a pair. Have a practice. Then try against the clock. Pedro Pony, Candy Cat, Mr. Dinosaur, Richard Rabbit, Susie Sheep. Super! Richard Rabbit, Candy Cat, Mr. Dinosaur. That's it! Pedro Pony, Rocket Ship, Pedro Pony. That's right! Richard Rabbit, Rocket Ship, Candy Cat. Super! Rocket Ship. Super! Richard Rabbit. That's right! Well done! You matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun games to play here. Feed Polly. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot.
Polly wants 2 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 yellow crackers.
Oops! Polly didn't get the crackers she wanted. Try again.
Polly wants 4 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a yellow cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 red crackers. Polly wants more.
Keep going. You've almost won a sticker.
Polly wants a red cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 yellow crackers. Polly wants more.
Are you sure? Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Talking Parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything that she hears. George is a red pumpkin.
George is a red pumpkin.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a happy chicken.
Rebecca Rabbit is a happy chicken.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a blue frog.
Peppa Pig is a blue frog.
Try another one. Keep going. You've almost won a sticker. Mummy Pig is a green banana.
Mummy Pig is a
another one. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Stickers. Make a lovely picture of the stickers you've won. That looks lovely. That's lovely. What a smashing picture. What a smashing picture. That looks lovely. What a smashing picture. 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 That looks lovely. That looks lovely. That looks lovely. That looks lovely. That looks lovely.